Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another unboxing and this time I have a smartwatch. So let's get started. This is Noise Turbo Smartwatch. It cost me about 2000 rupees. Going to the back, here we can see the specifications. So now opening up the box, it feels awesome to just open a box. Here we can see the smartwatch itself. So let's just take it out and see what's other things in the box. So first we got a micro USB charging cable and some other things too. So this is a smart screen protector of that smartwatch. This is the warranty card, and also in the box we got a very nice and lengthy user manual. Read it before using it. So now let's keep that all aside. Check the smartwatch. So here we can see. Holy smokes guys, it totally looks awesome.
To power on, you just click this button for about 2 to 3 seconds and it will show. Now it is powered on.
Now I'll show you how to connect this Noise Turbo Smartwatch with my Galaxy S7 or any Android or iOS device. So just power on the Bluetooth.
Search for Noise Turbo. I have actually added it before. Just click on Noise Turbo and see. It is then paired. And it is also not shown here. Now this phone is paired with this smartwatch. By the way, you can change the watch faces by just tapping on the watch face. It has basically 3 watch faces, but my personal favorite is this one as it feels and looks like a real watch. See, so it has many features like calculator, as you can see. Calculator, you can calculate. You can set alarms by this. It has a sedentary alarm tool. By the way, this is the back button. It acts like a small Android smartphone. It has profiles to general, meeting, silent, etc. Some themes too, like in this thing. If I select OK, it will change the wallpaper to this rose. It has a remote action camera too. It has a built-in camera. You can see this. You see me too. Hi. And to click the photo, you just click on this capture button and it will show insert a memory card, as it don't have any. You can also insert a SIM card into it. I'll just show you how to do it. So coming to the back, you just need to remove this cover. It pops out easily. Oh, by the way, this is the charging port. You can see micro USB charging port. The battery life of this smartwatch is kind of good. It works a full day. This is the battery. This is the vibrator motor, and this is the small speaker. Removing the battery. Here you can insert your SIM card, by the way, and here you can insert a memory card. It's very easy to use. By the way, this smartwatch also acts like a Bluetooth speaker, as it has a small tiny speaker inside it. So let's try it. It's a very nice step by Noise to make a budget-friendly smartwatch. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing and tech reviews. With that being said, I am Brains of Tech and I'm signing off. Peace.